So we're here at Cobble & Caravan. They don't want the site to be closed, so my choice when I'm repairing a pothole is a product called Easy Street, rather than going through the huge expense of having to resurface the entire area. We're sitting at -5. A lot of the potholes have still got water in them. That's solid ice. Yep, there we go. That's a big one. But the good thing is about the Easy Street product, it will work in these conditions. As long as it can work, then I'll be working. So, first thing to do is get rid of some of this ice. A little sweep. That's what we're going to do, is put the Easy Street product in. And this is sub-zero conditions. You can see that it's easy to use in this temperature. It's moving really easily and nicely. That's the first stage of it putting in the hole. Now we're going to compact it down. One of the things I love about Easy Street is it's an environmentally friendly product. So the compaction allows the biofuels in to evaporate, and that actually helps the setting of the product. We're going to put the whacker plate on for its final compression. So that's it, job done. Literally as easy as that. As soon as I've left the site, traffic can go on it. You can get the machinery, the tools, the Easy Street asphalt, all online at redstagmaterials.com.